Maybe you should pull the fucking trigger.
Pull the trigger. Ain't nobody gonna do for you. Pull the trigger. Don't hesitate, just shoot.
So that was the complete story of 15 days before. 15 days before, I just created a whole separate video for that day. I mean to say is vlog, but then unfortunately my Mac broke down and I was not able to edit my video on that day. And you won't believe what they said is that my motherboard was completely gone and they were going to charge me 40,000 rupees. I mean seriously man, I got my laptop for 60,000 and they are saying that just for the motherboard they are going to charge me 40,000. But fortunately I got lucky and my Mac just started magically. I just don't know how, but it started, and finally the vlog is here. So beginning with the vlog, how are you guys doing? What is up everybody, and very good morning and welcome back to another vlog. So that was complete story of 15 days before, but few days further I also created another vlog that is on 15th of July. I just went on a small trek with my friends. I was just having chilling fun and eventually I just recorded all the clips over there, and I thought why don't you guys have a look at it.
Oh, you make me wanna talk back to you. Say it like that. If I hate you, then find someone new, baby. But you know I never will. No, so I choke you down just like a pill.
So far we have climbed this much.
Take you like a pill. Fill you like a pill to get my fill.
Okay, so for today's vlog, some raw kind of footages are going to be there, so please bear with me because it's raining over here in Lonavala and I am not having any waterproof camera with me. Right now I am shooting this whole vlog on my iPhone itself, so I hope you guys will understand. Wait a minute. It do not look as much raw as I expected. A little bit of efforts in editing can make any video look great, amazing. Like it is. No. Do you want to have it? Video is still left.
Oh, but there's no one there. We can figure this out. Put your feet down. We are the lucky ones.
what you call heaven, guys. Right now we are at topmost place of this mountain, and just have a look around me.
Put your feet down.
We enjoyed a lot at top of the mountain. I didn't vlog much over there because it was raining damn heavy, and sorry if I look like a clown right now in this big and baggy raincoat, but this is the mandatory thing, you know.
Oh, 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 yeah, yeah. No, no.
Okay, so that was a small video of my trekking adventure with my friends, and if you guys were wondering why I was not uploading videos since many days, I hope you guys now know the reason. Okay, time to wrap up today's vlog with the thing as I do, that is thanking all of them who have commented on my previous videos, and starting with Onkar. Thanks a lot, brother, for commenting on my videos and keep watching. Sebo, thanks a lot, brother, for commenting, and for sure we'll make it together next time. All in one channel. Okay, brother, now I get it. The name of that river was Ganga, and yeah, thanks for letting me know. Yashadip, thanks a lot, brother, for commenting and keep watching. And finally, the last one, that is Prakhar Chagnani. Thanks a lot, brother, for commenting, and see you next time. Till then, stay tuned and bye-bye. Wait a minute, you cannot just go away like this. Have you subscribed to my channel? If you guys haven't, please do consider subscribing my channel over here, and if you guys are new visitors to my channel, consider watching my previous videos over here. So till then, bye bye, and see you guys in the next video.